Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you.
What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If this is the first time y'all are ever seeing my little old face, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so y'all can be notified every single time that I post. For today, your girl's coming at y'all with a little vlog. I decided to do a little day in my life because your girl got a little bit of stuff that I gotta do today, starting with some errands, which is why your girl's wearing a coat. And later on today, I'll be doing a little friendsmas. Well, I'm not hosting it, but I'll be attending one. So I just thought to take y'all along the day. My room is currently a mess, so I'm just gonna like take y'all along as I clean. I also gotta decorate for Christmas finally. I know it's a little bit late, but you know, your girl was going through it. But I'm here, I'm alive, I'm well, and I'm excited. And yeah, so I guess before diving on into the video, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Simply Soribel, same for Twitter. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So right now I am about to go to the pharmacy, and I also have to go to the supermarket to get the ingredients for the chicken. So for the friendsmas, we have to all bring like a dish and a little white elephant's gift, which I still have to wrap up. And the room, I'm just gonna give y'all a little. It's a mess. It's an absolute mess. It's disgusting. It's not that bad, but it's just not how I like my space to be. So when I get back from running the errands and going to the supermarket, I'll be chatting with y'all. So let's get into it.
She my pineapple, yeah. Sour, she's so sweet. Yeah. She got an attitude. I call her pineapple, yeah.
A few moments later.
And I'm home. So what I think I'm gonna do as a plan of attack, I don't have to be at the friendsmas until 7. And I don't want the chicken to be so cold, so I'm not gonna start right now, because right now it is 2:13. So I think I'm gonna start cooking at 4:30, around there. So I'm gonna actually start off with cleaning the room. But first things first, let me just put all the ingredients in the fridge, and then I think I can just start cleaning. Yeah, like honestly, like this is my brain trying to figure out where to start, and that is kind of my struggle in my life. Like I never know where to start. I always know how to finish, but never know where to start. But let's start with putting these groceries away.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
2 hours later.
And I'm done. So this actually took me longer because I took a break and made myself a sandwich. because I deserve. So I'm just gonna show y'all my room real quick, and then we're gonna get into cooking because it is already 5 o'clock and I don't want to take too much time cooking where I then end up rushing myself, and I just want everything to be done, everything to be chill and peaceful. So let me show y'all my room and then we can get into the cooking. I'm pretty sure y'all tired of my room. I mean, I show it all the time. This is pretty much the setup, but it's cleaner now. That bag is out of the way. All the clothes and stuff that was on there is gone. I just left it like this because we're gonna come back and like be super tired, and I didn't want to make it super fancy. So this is pretty much it. Those clothes are there because I'm filming a video where I'm styling those sneakers. So stay tuned for that. Fridge, just got some extra treats that I just put on top. Desk area, clothing shelf. This finally looks organized. Like the laundry stuff was like all out in the open. I had like all those papers, a whole bunch of mail that I needed to sort. All done, all sorted. Mirror, I know y'all probably like, what the are you wearing? But this is the fit. I'm comfortable in my crib. And here is gonna be kind of like the Christmassy area. So my little tree is there. As y'all can see, some of the Christmas decor, which I'm probably gonna decorate a little bit later in the video. I hope we get to decorate it before we leave, but if anything, like we'll probably just get back and decorate before bed. I don't know. And then we have my shoes and purses, accessories, fragrance. This is like my little pantry, liquor, whatever type of cabinet. I got my Swiffer stuff here. And then I got fragrance, skincare, vision board. Stay tuned because I'm making my new one. And then I'm back over here to the front where we got my dresser, TV, and then my calendar. I actually still have to do my December calendar for this month. It's still stuck on November. I've just been all over the place, guys. I swear, I'm just I can't even talk. But anyways, it will be done. Everything will be done. So right now, I'm actually about to just start cooking, but I'm so happy that my room is clean. For the cooking, I don't know if I'm gonna go super in depth as to like what I'm doing or making, or maybe like in the future, I'll do some more in-depth cooking videos, but I'm just doing a pollo guisado, I think translated to stewed chicken, if I'm not mistaken. But that's what your girl's making for the friendsmas. So right now I'm about to make like, I think like 18 or no, like 24 pieces of chicken. Yes, 24 pieces of chicken. So we gotta start getting on that because I gotta season it. We got 3 packs. Sorry y'all, this is a really bad angle. 3 packs of chicken we about to start working on. So I'm just gonna give y'all like a little play-by-play as to like what ingredients I'm gonna be using, and then fast forward, you know, or give y'all little time lapses and thing. I don't know why I don't like vlogging and talking like and doing all of that. I feel like it's very distracting. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm in the kitchen ready to chef it up. So the lighting in this kitchen, no matter where I put y'all, it just does not work. So I'm just gonna let y'all know what seasoning I use, okay? So we use adobo, okay? We'll be using garlic powder, powdered oregano, and we'll be using these little sazons, which is the culantro y achote, the coriander and annatto, that. We have the sazon ranchero. For vegetables, we'll be utilizing a white onion, a green bell pepper, I'm just gonna show this in the plastic, and some cilantro. And of course, when I do pollo guisado stewed chicken, I like to do it with chicken legs and thighs, especially the thighs. There's just like a juiciness that comes out of that chicken, but you can pretty much cook your chicken, like if you got like chicken breast or whatever, it will come a little bit different because each chicken serves like a different purpose. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so that's pretty much the ingredients that I use for this. I keep it very simple. And then a little bit of sugar when I'm about to cook it, just so that the chicken can get like that nice caramelized like color and absolutely delicious. But let me get into it and I'm gonna try to show y'all along the way. Okay, so now that I just kind of put the chicken in and the chicken is doing its thing cooking, I'm going to be a multitasker and I'm going to wrap up the little white elephant gifts that we gotta bring. So we kept it really to the point and simple. We got a pack of Dominoes and a bag of Uno cards. So whoever gets Robert and I's gifts, they'll be getting that along with Sour Patch watermelon, because that's the best. And then we just got the Haribo Star Mix. It comes with gummy worms, just like cherries, just like, you know, the favorites out here. So I'm gonna wrap that up, make it cute, and then I'm gonna go back in and check on the chicken. Right now, Robert's taking a shower, and then he's gonna be getting ready. And then when he's out the shower and ready, I'm gonna have him kind of like take care of the chicken while I'm taking a shower, because we have to multitask and kill this time. So let's wrap these gifts up, okay? Okay. It was really quick, to the point. It's just a little white elephant gift. Now that they're wrapped up and ready to go, I'm about to go check on in the chicken and start taking out my fit. My hair is already in a fro. I'm just gonna refresh that, and yeah.
A few moments later.
So after a freaking emergency and everything, we are finally ready and good to go. My cousin came down here real quick to taste our chicken. Yo. Anyways, so now we're about to head on over to friendsmas. We're literally late as hell, but we already gave them a heads up as to why we're late, and let's get to it. About to call the oops. We have arrived. Look at the food. Our chicken has entered the chat. She's about to let us know what our options are for beverages. The hostess with the mostest. Go get them, go get them.
Thanks, girl. So we've got soda, water, white Christmas margarita.
White Christmas margarita.
Spiked apple cider.
Spiked apple cider.
Rudolph's red nose.
What does that include? Rudolph's red nose.
It's a surprise.
All right.
Regular apple cider, regular eggnog, spiked eggnog.
So there's some spicy stuff and there's some like regular.
Whatever, I got whatever you need.
So we're about to get turned.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see.
I think this is number 3.
No, I think this is number 3.
What is it? What is
But
this?
it's like, but just the part, and I feel like it's a snow mother and a child.
Joy that surrounds you. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh,
Ooh, we leave it with goodie bags. The
been
hostess with the
wondering
most.
just what you mean.
I'm happy. We left with mad goodies. We have darts. We got a charcuterie board. We got a little. You got a little travel kit, babe.
Rainbow.
We got some good stuff.
I think they're like.
Wait, you got something too. You won.
I think they're like Starburst. Yeah, I got that brush. Like,
oh, he got a hairbrush. We did pretty good. We gotta be heading out soon, so I'm just gonna see y'all when I get to the casa. And I'm home. I had so much fun at friendsmas. Shouts out to Lakia for being the hostess with the mostest. It was such a nice little thing, and it's always nice to see friends. But we're home. We're about to start getting ready for bed. So with that being said, I'll be closing out the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button because your girl's on the road to 1K subscribers. And if there's anything you guys want to see from me this month, even though I already have some ideas set in stone, make sure to comment them down below. And follow me on Instagram at Simply Soribel, same for Twitter. And one more thing, that no matter what you do, always remember to be simply you. I'll be seeing y'all in my next video.